start to find a rule, and I would like somebody who absolutely 100% understood what was happening on Monday to explain to us how we get from A to A prime and what that means for our rule. Okay, is anybody confident enough to put their hand up and remind us how we did that? Anybody? This is surprising. Okay.
Okay. Come on,
Very
guys.
short, but that's okay. That's okay. All right, we're going to do a quick recap, and then I'll see if anybody can help me again with. Okay, so we're going to have to find the coordinates for A, and I know that you guys can know the coordinates for A. So can you guys give me the coordinates for A, please, in the chat? And remember, this over here, this is A, this dot over here. Okay, please give me the coordinates for A in the chat. Good, you're a little off, Masichaba, be careful. Mivuyo, you're also just one off. Check your Y coordinates. Thank you, Roland, excellent. My X coordinate, if I take this to my X line, is 6. And my Y coordinate, if I take it to the left, is 2. Hello, Keisha, no problem. All right, now if I have to go from, oh, look at what I'm doing now. Let me write my 6 properly. All right, 6. Now, I have to find A prime. Guys, give me the coordinates for A prime, please. In the chat, go for it. We're going to wait for somebody to put the answer in the chat for me. Well done, Roland. Always on the ball. Iminati, be careful. Is that positive or negative? Well done, Masichaba and Somila. Good, it's 2. My X coordinate is 2. And my Y coordinate is -4. Excellent. All right. Now, in order for us to write our rule, we're going to say that we've got XY, which is our 6 and 2, and we have to figure out how we get from A to A prime. I'm going to open my brackets first, and we're going to count, guys. So we're trying to make it, I'm trying to start here and end here at A prime. Okay, so we're going to count going to the left or the right. Tell me in the chat, guys, left or right. Which way am I going to go first? Because I need to do X first. Ayanda says left. So does Roland. And Nelisa and Inti, so I agree. We're going to go left. Let's count how many times to the left we're going to go, because we want to end up just above A prime. So that's where we're going. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we've moved to the left 4 times. And if I move to the left, what is my sign? Is it positive or is it negative, guys? Let me know in the chat. Good, Masichaba, it's negative. Excellent. So it's negative. Right, so I'm going to say X, and because I move 4 positions to the left, I'm going to go -4. Semicolon. All right, now I want you guys to tell me in the chat how many, am I going to move up or down, and by how many units am I going to move up or down? Let me know in the chat. To get to A prime, am I moving up or down, and by how many units? Okay, Ayanda says up 2. So if I move up 2, I'm going to go 1, 2, and I'm going to end up at 4. That doesn't take me to A prime. Okay, think about where we're trying to go. Okay, Masichaba says down 6. Somila says 2 down. Nelisa says down 6. I wonder who's correct, because everybody's got different answers. Roland's like 8 or 7. I don't know which one. Okay, Jody says down 5. Guys, let's count. Okay, we're over here. Oh, look at what I just did. We are over here. And I'm going to start counting because A prime is down there. No problem, Sam. I'm going to go down. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So for those of you who said 6 down, well done. That was the correct answer. We went down 6. Now, remind me, guys, is down positive or negative? Waiting for the answer in the chat. No problem, Molebogeng. If you guys are a little stuck, I've given you the clues over here on the side. Just look at my arrows. The up arrow says positive and my down arrow says negative. So we've just gone down. What is my sign going to be? Positive or negative, guys? It's going to be negative. Good. So I'm going to go y minus, and we move 6 down. So it's going to be y minus 6. Okay. Excellent. All right. Okay. We're going to try another one. We're going to try B. I'm going to remove A. Otherwise, it's going to start getting in the way of the others. Let's remove start and finish. All right, guys. We're going to move from B. All right, here. This is my start. And this is my end. Now, what I want you guys to do is give me the coordinates for B, this one over here at my start, and give me the coordinates for B prime, that one over there. Give me the coordinates in the chat, please, guys. What is B? So Mila says 9 and 6. I agree, guys. Open brackets, 9, semicolon, 6. Close brackets. And we went from B all the way to B prime. Give me the answer for B prime, please. Ayanda, please remember your brackets and your semicolons. Everyone says, Unti, so is it -2 or +2? Check. Okay, it's 2 and 10. All right, good. Now I want somebody to unmute. I want somebody to raise their hand for me, unmute for me, and tell me how we're going to get from B to B prime. Ayanda, I see you. No problem, Nti. So just make sure you're not making those mistakes. Can you unmute for me and let us know? Let's work together.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you move 6 spaces to C, ma'am.
Okay, but we're not moving to C, we're moving to B prime. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
we want to get from here to here, over here, right? How many spaces do I need to move to get to that red dotted line that I just drew?
6 up, ma'am.
Okay, we're not moving up, we need to move left or right first. Because remember the rule says, Ayanda, we always have to do X first. And X is a left or a right move. Okay, so we always have to do left or right first. And then we do Y, so we do up or down. Okay, so we need to start with left or right. Are we moving to the left or to the right?
To the left, ma'am.
Okay, great. So is left negative or positive?
It's positive, ma'am.
Are you sure? Have you looked
Negative,
at the bottom of my
ma'am.
page? Oh, look here. Guys, remember, I'm giving you all the examples just down here. You see it? Left is
Yes, ma'am. Negative,
negative.
ma'am.
All right, so let's count how many times we need to move to the left to get right underneath B prime. So we're going to move 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7.
7.
How many times?
7, ma'am.
Good. So my rule is we're going to say we started at XY. And then what did we do to X? We have X. Did we plus or did we minus?
Minus, ma'am.
Minus how many units?
7, ma'am.
Good. Minus 7. Do you see how we do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, excellent. Now, how do I get from this point here, where we're sitting here? How do I get to B prime? What do I need to do?
You add 4
Do I
units,
go
ma'am.
up or down?
We go up, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, so how many times? 1, 2, 3,
4.
4 times. Right. So is up positive or negative?
Ma'am, it's negative, ma'am.
Oh, Ayanda, you need to start looking. Is up positive or is it negative?
Positive, ma'am.
It's positive, right? So what am I going to write here? I'm going to write y plus or minus.
Plus, ma'am.
And how many units did we move up?
8.
Oh, we did not move 8.
Oh,
Sure,
4, ma'am.
we did not
4,
move
ma'am.
8. We moved 4. We moved 4. Where did we get 8 from? Ayanda? Close brackets. Okay, we're going to need a little bit more practice, don't you think?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do it. We're going to get more practice. Excellent. Love you for trying. Always, always love you for trying. Okay, we're going to do another one. So try and follow along as we go. Okay, good. So now we're done with B. Mivuyo, do you want to help me with C? Okay, but before we do C, I need everyone to give me the coordinates of C and C prime in the chat, please. Give me the coordinates for C, please, guys. Roland says 2 and 3. I agree. Okay, and to get from C to C prime, what is the coordinates for C prime, guys? That's okay, Sila. I see you. Sam says -2 and 3. I don't know about that negative. Jody says -5 and 6. So does Roland and Keisha. I agree with you guys. -5 and 6. Well done. Okay, now we have to find our rule. Okay, we need to find our rule. Now remember, guys, we're moving X, so we need to move left or right first. Okay. Mivuyo, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so to get from C to C prime, do we move left or right?
Left, ma'am.
Okay, great. So we're going to count how many times do we need to move to get right underneath C? Right, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We moved how many times?
7 times, ma'am.
Good. So I'm going to write here. We're going from X, Y to, what will my rule read here? I'm going to open brackets, and what am I going to say?
C
X
X
plus or minus?
it's minus, ma'am.
Good. Minus how many times did we move?
7, ma'am.
Good. X minus 7. You see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Now, let's do the same with Y. We are here. We are here. To get to C prime, do we move up or down?
Up, ma'am.
Okay, let's count how many times up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what is my rule for Y going to say? Y?
Y, it is positive.
So Y?
Positive 3.
Good. Yes, Mivuyo, excellent. Positive 3. Very well done. Okay, amazing stuff. Very, very nicely done. Well done, Mivuyo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, excellent. All right, I want us to do another one so we can get a little bit more used to it. Okay, I'm going to write it here. And I can already see Lwandile's hand is up. So Lwandile is going to go first with this one. Okay, I'm going to make a bit of a rule. We can even do another one, I think. Okay, we are over here. And we want to move to over here. I'm going to call this D, and I'm going to call this D prime. Give me the coordinates for D and D prime. Please, guys, in the chat, let's go. Thank you, Roland. Always just like on the money. And Masichaba and Somila, guys, amazing. -6 and 3. Well done. And then give me D prime, guys, D prime. Masachaba, be careful. I agree with Roland and Jody. Just count again, Masachaba. I think you've just made a small, tiny little error. Good, Masachaba, excellent. All right, and my my D prime coordinates will be 5 and -2. Ooh, Keisha, where did we get -6? Sure, I think that might have been an error. Yeah, I could tell it was an error. Okay, Lwandile, are you ready? You want to unmute for me?
Yes.
All right, Lwandile, how do we get from D to D prime? Are we going to move left or right first?
Right.
Good. Okay, let's count how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. Good. So it's 11. So my rule is going to say we moved from X, Y, and we went to, what does my rule says now? What does my rule say now?
So
We move to the right. So to the right. So is that X or Y, Lwandile?
X.
X. Good. And if we move to the right, is that positive or negative?
Positive.
Good. Positive. How many times did we move?
11 times.
Excellent. So it's going to be X plus
11. Yeah.
Excellent. Yes, it's X plus 11. You don't sound very sure, but yes, you got the correct answer. It's X plus 11. And then I'm going to put a semicolon. Now we're over here, Lwandile, and I need to get to D prime. Am I moving up or down?
Up.
Okay, if I go up, I'm going to move further away from D prime. You see that? So where
Yes.
do I need to go?
Down.
Down. Okay, how many times are we going down? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Now, when we move down, is that positive or negative? Is it positive or negative, Lwandile? Check on the screen. I've written it somewhere on the screen.
Negative.
Good, it's negative. So what is my rule for Y going to read? It's going to go Y.
Plus.
Oh, but you just said negative, dude.
Oh, sorry. Minus.
Minus how much?
5.
I mean, yeah, 5, because we went down 5 times. Do you see how that works?
Yes.
Excellent. All right. Very well done. Okay. Very well done, Lwandile. I think we should try another one. I think we should try another one until we're comfortable, guys. Until we're comfortable getting the idea here. Okay. Let me remove this rule and I can use red again. Okay. I'm going to put my point over here and my other one over here. And I'm going to call this E and this one E prime. Before I ask Guguletu to unmute, I need you guys in the chat, give me the coordinates for E and for E prime, please, guys. Give me the coordinates for E, everyone, in the chat. Excellent. Roland, remember which comes first, X or Y? Excellent, Somila and Keisha. And Masachaba and Jody, you guys are on the money. Well done. Roland, small mistake, remember, X comes first. -4, well done, Mivuyo, and -2. And E prime is going to be 1 and 1. No worries, Roland, that's how we learn. Well done, guys. Well done. All right, Guguletu, are you ready to tell us how we're moving? Okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Guguletu. Hello. So we need to move left or right first. So which way are we going to move?
Right.
Okay. Should we count how many times?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We moved 5 times. Hey, Google it too.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I moved from XY, and what does my X say now?
5
X plus or minus?
plus
Good. Plus how much?
plus 5.
Excellent. Well done. Okay, semicolon. And then, do I need to move up or down? I'm over here.
Up. You have to move up,
Okay,
ma'am.
let's count. Good. Let's count how many times. 1, 2, 3 times. So what is my rule for Y? Y?
Y plus 3.
Yo, Kuguletu, amazing. Amazing. Yo, so just well done, dude. Amazing.
Thank you,
Sure.
ma'am.
Okay. I think you guys are getting it. And I feel like you guys have it on lock. Okay, but I want Ntiso to do one more with me. Okay, but I'm going to ask people for coordinates first. Hold on for me, Ntiso. Hold on. Let's do coordinates first. Let's do coordinates first. Okay, here is F. And here is F prime. Give me coordinates for F, guys. Just hold on for me. Okay, coordinates for F are -3 and 4. Well done, guys. -3 and 4. And coordinates for F prime, guys. That's okay, Butlale, welcome. Excellent. I'm seeing Google, let you just check your coordinates again. Okay, excellent, guys. Coordinates for F prime, 4 and 8. Okay, well done. Well done. All right, Ntiso, are we ready for the rule? Unmute for me, my sweetie.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, my sweetie. All right, so do we need to move left, right, up, or down? Which one do we do first?
Up.
Oh, really? Remember X? Oh, X line?
No, ma'am. We go left. We go left. Right, right,
Okay.
right.
Okay, Ntiso, am I moving left or am I moving right?
Right.
Excellent. Okay, let's count how many times we need to move to the right. Okay, 1,
Okay.
2,
1,
3,
2,
4,
3,
5,
4,
6.
5, 6, 7.
7 times, right? Okay, so now my rule is going to say I moved from XY and I went to, what is my X rule going to say? So
It's going to say Y plus 7.
Y plus 7.
No, ma'am. It's going to say X plus 7.
Excellent. I'm glad you caught yourself. X plus 7, because we always start with X, ain't it so? Don't forget. All right, so now I'm over here at the bottom here. Do I need to move up or down?
Up.
Okay, let's count how many times up we're moving. 1, 2,
1, 2,
3.
3, 4.
All right, so what is my Y rule going to say?
Y plus 4.
Oh, well done. Amazing. Sure. So you did that so beautifully. I'm so proud of you. Well done. Amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Okay. I have to now ask, guys, thumbs up, thumbs down. How are we feeling about these questions? How are we feeling about finding the rule? Luto says thumbs up. Keisha also. All right, guys. I'm glad. And I know that a lot of you were here on Monday when we did these as well. So this could have been a recap for some of you guys. Love it. All right. So Mbali's still a little, okay. You still need a bit of practice. That's fine. Okay. So I'm going to give you guys a challenge. I'm going to remove this quickly. Here's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to say to you guys, that I have a dot. And it's very easy, guys. It's very easy. Watch what's going to happen here. I have a coordinate A, right? And my coordinate for A is -2 and 3, right? And I'm going to say to you guys that my rule is XY. And what's happened to my X is that X is +5 and Y is -2. Okay, so if I ask you guys to take the rule and give me A prime, what you're going to do is you're going to take your X coordinate, you're going to take -2, and you're going to +5. So I'm going to go -2 + 5. Guys, what's -2 + 5? Pop it in the chat for me. Remember your number line. What's -2 + 5? All right, guys. If you're, I know, integers. Okay, guys, if you're a bit stuck, here's the nice thing. You can actually use your X line and your Y line. You can use them. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go and find A. Okay, I know that my A is over here. Right. If I have to +5, am I going to move to the right or to the left, guys? If I'm +5, am I moving right or left? Right, good. We're moving right. How many times am I moving right, guys? Look at the rule. How many times am I moving? Good, Roland. Yes, Jody. Yes, we're moving 5 times. So this is all you guys are going to do. You're going to go from here and we're going to move to the right 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which X coordinate did I land at? What is my X coordinate? What is my X coordinate here? Good, it's 3. It's 3. So my new coordinate for X, or for X, is going to be at 3. That's my new X coordinate. And then my Y says I need to -2. Am I going up or am I going down, guys? Well done, Roland and Mivuyo and Bukhale and Keisha. Excellent. We're moving down. How many times am I moving down, guys? How many times? Well done, Mas Chaba. We're moving 2 times down. So I'm going to go 1, 2. What is my new Y coordinate? What is my Y coordinate, guys? Excellent, Mivuyo. Well done, Mas Chaba. And Nokwezi. Yo, guys, you're killing it. That means my new Y coordinate is 1. Okay. So my A prime is actually at the point 3 and 1 here. So you guys gave me A, I gave you guys A, and you guys gave me A prime. Okay. Let's try another one. Let's try another one. I feel like you guys are going to get it. Here's another one. Here's B at -4 and 1. Okay, my coordinates for B are -4 and 1. And then I tell you guys that my rule is I moved from XY and I went X +2, Y +1. Okay. Now, for my X +2, guys, tell me, where am I moving and how many times for X +2? Where am I moving? I'm over here. Where am I moving? Left or right, and how many times? We're moving right. How many times, guys? Google let you look at the rule. Look at the rule, guys. If you say 5 times, I need you guys to tell me how we got to 5. Okay, we're moving right 2 times because my rule says 2. So we're going to move 2 times to the right. 1, 2. What is my new x coordinate, guys? What is my new x coordinate for B prime? -2. Well done, Keisha. It's -2. Okay. Then look at what my y is doing. That's y plus 1. Where am I moving, guys? Where am I moving for my y? Good, Sam. We're moving up. How many times am I moving up? Master Chaba, y down. Look at the rule, guys. Look at the rule. Good. We're moving 1 time up. 1. There we go. 1. What is my new y coordinate, guys? What is my new y coordinate? Well done, Sam. Excellent. Excellent. My new y coordinate is 2. And there, you guys found B prime for me. So my new coordinate for B prime is at -2 and 2. B prime. Okay. Thumbs up, thumbs down. How are we feeling about using the rule to find the prime or to find the translation? How are we feeling? Excellent. Well done. Keisha's still a little confused. Keisha, can I ask you to raise your hand for me, please? No worries, Buluko. Keisha, are you able to unmute, or is the sum is okay, I am going to need a volunteer. However, I'm going to need somebody to put their hand up for me. Sure, Google it to shot his hands shot straight up. Yo, okay, let's do a C. Okay. I'm going to put the coordinate for C at -2 and 2. Oh, 2 and -2. Sorry, guys. X first. 2 and -2. Okay. And I'm going to tell you guys that my rule says xy x minus 4 y plus 6. All right, Google it too. You're going to walk me through this. Okay. You're going to walk me through it. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good. So our rule says x minus 4. So where are we moving?
To the left
Okay, good. How many times am I moving to the left?
4 times.
Excellent. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And what is my new x coordinate for C prime?
-2.
Excellent. Sure, you're doing so amazing. All right. And what does my y coordinate tell me? Where am I moving?
Up.
Good. How many times?
6 times.
Well done. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where did I land? What is my new y coordinate?
+4.
4. You did that so beautifully. So beautifully, Google it too. Well done. My new coordinate is -2 and 4. That's C prime. Do you see how easy it is, Google it too?
Yes, ma'am.
It's simple stuff. Well done. Well done.
Ma'am.
Sure. You guys are killing this. You guys are amazing at this. Okay, let's take a brain break and then we'll come back to it. Okay. Because we have something else we need to learn today as well. I'm not sure how far we'll get with it. Okay. Keisha, I hope you understand a little bit now because I saw your hand being like, no, I'm not there quite yet. But you see how easy it is. We just follow the rules. You're doing the opposite of what I was doing. Okay. All right, guys, please make sure that you're on mute. I feel like I hear somebody's background. Make sure you're muted, guys. Okay. Excellent. All right, let us take a brain break. Teacher Kat, are you with me?
I am with you.
Excellent. All right. Let's see. I don't want to be mean and be like, only 5 people are coming. Okay. Let's see now. I'm going on a cruise and I'm bringing Nike. Nike's coming with us.
I'm going on a cruise and I'm bringing Puma.
Humor. No, we're not going.
I knew it. Think
So
about this
sorry.
carefully, teacher Coco. I'm gonna leave you. Fine.
No, no, but we need to follow the rules. Okay, Silas says he's bringing LS and he's coming. I hope that makes Braden says they're bringing Balenciaga and they're coming. I hope you guys have seen it by now. Kalita, no. Jordans are not coming. Elephants, no. I think Nokwezi has already figured it out. Louis Vuitton is not coming. Gucci is not coming. Bugatti is not coming. Fubu is not coming. Oh, Roland is bringing Red Bat and he's coming. Teacher Cat, you figured it out, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Mbali's bringing Identity. You're coming.
I can't believe I'm not coming because of wow. Okay. Nice.
Lantila says he knows. Kappa, you're not coming. You cannot bring ice cream. All Stars not coming. Oh, Mivuyo says Relay Jeans. You're coming. Teacher Cat, think of something quickly.
Like
Let's
my
go on
brain.
the cruise.
Oh my gosh.
Converse. Yay.
Oh, that was
Prada's not coming. Grasshoppers are coming. Well done, Sam.
Geez, where do you guys know all these things from? Man, I need to upgrade.
Uzi, Versace. Oh, yes.
I know why they're coming, but I still can't think of anything. This is horrible.
Bands are not coming, Keisha. Oh, Fendi. Oh, I love Fendi. I love Fendi. Landile, tell us, what is the trick here? They're not
It is
exclusive brands. Landile, what is the
It is
trick?
about famous brands.
It is famous brands, but there's something specific about it.
They all have E.
Yes, there we go. They all have the letter E. Well done, guys. Fendi, Nike, Converse, Red Bat, Identity, LS, Relay, Balenciaga, Grasshoppers, Versace. I do like pizza, Nokwezi, of course I do.
Nokwezi is bribing you. I see you.
I know. I feel like he's trying to bribe me with food. Yes, Joe, you won't have it. All right, guys. Oh, quick. Just like massage those brains. We're going to learn something really quickly, something that we're going to continue on Monday. Okay, but I need us to focus. So everyone who has their hand down, guys, can I ask you to put your hand up? Can I ask you to put your hand down? We're going to try and focus on this new concept, and I need you guys to follow with me. Okay, because it's a bit complicated. Okay. So this is about reflection. Okay. Can anybody tell me, where do you guys see your own reflections? In what? Where do we see our own reflections? In the mirror. Teacher Kat, you were 100% right. Nokwezi was trying to bribe me. I see it. All right, good. When we see our reflections, we see them in a mirror. Okay, Mivuyo, the light is normally the shadow and not the reflection. Okay, all right. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to think, Judy, it's a mirror, my dude. It's a mirror. We're going to think of our X line as our mirror. Okay. We're going to think of our X line as our mirror. Okay. Now, can you guys give me the coordinates for A, please? In the chat, go for it. Let me remove this because you guys might not be able to see. Give me the coordinates for A, everyone. And I need to move my A prime because I put it in the wrong place. Good. My coordinates are, Sam, remember, your X value comes first. 4 and 3. Excellent. Right. Now, give me the coordinates, guys, for A prime. Give me the coordinates for A prime, everyone. Oh, Sam keeps putting the Y value before the X. Sam, be careful. Yes, Masichaba. Keisha, check out for your X value. Ndiso, check again. Nokwezi, check again. Here is my X value. There's my X value. And here is my Y value. Well done, Iminati and Bukhale. Excellent. And Faith. Excellent, guys. Excellent. My A prime value is 4 and -3. Okay. Now, I want you guys to notice something. Okay. Do you guys notice that my X value is the same? You guys see it? Now, I want you guys to tell me what is different in my Y values. What's happened to my Y values? Can anybody raise their hand and tell me what's different in my Y values? Yes, Roland. Oh, Roland, where'd you go? Okay, Luto. Google it too. I know you know the answer. I just want to give Luto a chance. Luto, what's
Hi, ma'am.
different about my X value? I mean, my Y values.
Ma'am, the A is positive and the other A is negative.
Good. The one A is positive and the other A is negative. Do you see that? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Remember that. Remember that. Because it's going to come up. It's going to come up again. Okay. I'm glad that you guys have seen this. Okay. I want you guys to notice something else again. If I have B, give me the coordinates for B in the chat, guys. Excellent, Roland. Okay, Diso, don't forget your negatives. -7 and -2. Good, right. And my B prime, I'm going to put over here. Give me my values for B prime, guys. That's okay, Sam. Good. B prime is -7 and 2. And Mivuyo, because your hand is up, I need you to tell me, what do we notice that's the same? And what do you notice that's different?
Ma'am, the X are the same. The X
Good. The X values are the same. And what else?
and the
What do we notice about the Y value?
the Y values are not the same thing. It is negative and positive.
Good. The one is -2 and the other is +2. Okay. Now, well done, Mivuyo. Now, I want us guys to notice that what I've actually done here is I've used my X line. I've used this as my mirror. This is my mirror. And you guys will notice, if I have to use this as my mirror, let me count. Let's count. From A prime to my mirror, I count 1, 2, 3 Y values. And from A to my mirror, I count 1, 2, 3 values. And if I look over here, from B to my mirror, I count 1, 2. And from B prime to my mirror, I count 1, 2. Do you guys see how they're the same? The amount of space on each side of my mirror is the same. The only thing that's different about my up and down values is that one is positive and the other one is negative. I'm going to repeat that. Okay. If my X line is my mirror, if I have D over here, and D over here is 3 and 4, if my Y values 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4 away, in order for me to draw the other one, I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So my value for D prime is going to be, my X value will be exactly the same. And what will happen to my Y value, guys? Will it be positive or negative? Give me the coordinate for my Y value, guys. What will my Y value be? Tell me in the chat. Negative what? Be very specific. Thank you, Master Chaba. It'll be negative 4. Good. Negative 4. Well done. All right. I'm going to give you guys one more, and I want you guys to give me the coordinates for D prime, please. We're still going to use X as my mirror. Okay. Here is my new coordinate. My new coordinate is down here. Oh, no, that's a bit too. I just used that one. Let's use another one. And there. This is E. And I want you guys to tell me what E prime is. My E value over here, or my coordinate for E, is -3 and -3. Now, I want you guys to remember that our rule says if I reflect about my X line, my X stays the same and my Y changes the sign. Okay. Okay. So now, if I move from here to my mirror, I need to count 1, 2, 3. That means on the other side of my mirror, I need to count 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. There is E prime. Well done, Master Chaba, for writing it correctly. Mivuyo, sorry, Mivuyo and Master Chaba, well done. Okay, do you guys see how we did that? Now my value for E prime is going to be -3 and 3. And you guys will notice that my X values stay the same and my Y values change sign. That one is -3, that one is +3. Let's try another one. Let's do F. Okay, and this is the last one we have to do because we're going to go. Okay, here is F. F's coordinates are 5 and 2. If I use the X as my mirror, what will F prime be, guys? What will F prime be? Remember, guys, my X stays the same. My Y changes its sign. Tell me, guys, what will F prime be? Bukhali, be very careful. Well done, Master Chaba. Okay, count again, guys. How many moves do I need to make to get to my mirror? I go 1, 2, 2 moves, which means underneath I have to go 2. 1, 2. What is my new value for F prime? F prime will be 5 and -2. Again, guys, my X stays the same and my Y changes sign, 2 and -2. Okay. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do we understand